What's going on, Pectus Warriors? I am just filming a little workout that I'm doing for myself, and I thought, this probably make good content, need some content for you guys. So I'm going to show you a core workout I'm doing, and doing front squats as well. That's part of training your core. Big compound movements, like a front squat particularly, puts a lot of load on your core. So I'll run you through the workout, show you. Apologies if the audio is not that good. It is pouring rain here, so that's the little splashy sound you hear, but hopefully it's all right. So we've got front squats going on. I'm doing sets of 5 with a 2-second pause at the bottom for these lighter sets, and then I'm going to build up in weight and do less reps and take out the pause. But that pause is going to be actually really beneficial for extra engagement of the core to stabilize myself in that bottom position. So let's do it, huh? All right, so front squats are done and dusted, built up to just 100 for 3 reps. Good to get in big compounds and go heavy as well. Like the pause works really great for engaging the core on that. But going heavy is really, really important for overall muscle building. And obviously the core's gonna get worked extra hard because it's extra loading to support. Seriously guys, front squats, like I program it a lot for my clients as a squat variation because it is working the core so much. So they are great. Now we're gonna go on to the direct core work, like kind of what you think of when you say training abs. We're gonna do four sets, or four rounds of a 45-second plank, 10 ab wheel rollouts, 10 kettlebell liftovers, and a 25-second L-sit hold, or my closest attempt to that. I'm not very good at L-sit holds. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, resting between rounds as needed and just going through it, focusing on quality, good movement, good positions, really trying to engage the core, no rush, no race, just really trying to engage the core and still keep the intensity up. Don't just rest for like ever, but just really focusing on the mind to muscle connection. So yeah, gonna get into it. So obviously guys, with the plank, trying to really tuck your core, keep it engaged, keep your back straight. Don't let your lower back sag. Keep it all engaged and tight. All right, so that's the core workout done. It's a good one, feeling the burn. I've only done 1 round, I've still got 3 more to go, but it's gonna burn even more. But that's the core workout done for you guys, but I'm still gonna keep going. So yeah, give it a try. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Seriously, can't like preach how important training your core is. So do it. It sucks, I know, it's a shitty muscle group. The burn doesn't feel like when you're burning out the chest, but it is important. If you're interested in coaching, guys, then there's still some client spots available. So link in the description to learn more about that. And click that link, and then you can apply, book a strategy call with me so we can meet one another, and I'll make a program for you based on your pectus and help you achieve your goals and overcome your pectus. Peace. See you in the next one.